Hello everyone. Today we have another episode of Clearly Understood, and we are going to talk about the use of so, very, to, and such. So yesterday or 2 days ago, a lady wrote me and she said, "You're so kind person," which I'm thankful for, but it's not correct. So there's a few things we can do to fix this. "You're so kind person." You could say, "You're such a kind person," or "You're a very kind person." Or you could also say, "You're so kind." So when we have the word so cannot modify another word that is modifying the object, the adjective. So kind is fine, but so kind person doesn't work. So here's how we can do it. We have a mango here. This is a very sweet mango. This is a very sweet mango. This is a so sweet mango. You cannot say this. You would say, "This is such a sweet mango." Now, we can change the way we word the sentence, and we can use the word so. So for instance, "This mango is very sweet." This mango is very sweet. This mango is so sweet. Now, if we say this mango is so sweet, as opposed to this mango is very sweet, we're saying it's actually even more so. So if this mango is very sweet, and this mango is so sweet, we're saying this one is sweeter. Now if I said, "This mango is too sweet," we're actually saying it's more than we would like. So when we use the word to, T-O-O, we are saying it's in it's a negative way. So this is too sweet. It's sweeter than I enjoy. This root beer has too much sugar. We're saying it has more sugar than I would like. And so when we use to, that's a negative, the highest amount. If it's very sweet, that can be a good thing. If it's so sweet, this can also be good. But if it's too sweet, then we no longer enjoy it. So, there's also the word so that is unique, that we can't use very or the other ones. So this would be with agreeing. So if I asked you, "Will you be coming to the park tomorrow?" You could answer, "I think so." But you couldn't say, "I think to," "I think such," "I think very." This is an example where so is the only one you can use. "I think so," "I believe so," "I hope so." The other example is so that. So that. "It was so cold that I needed a jacket." "It was so rainy that there were puddles everywhere." You cannot use very. It was very rainy. Period. There were puddles everywhere. This is what you would have to do. So with the case of agreeing or so that is a unique case for so. And very is able to be used in pretty much any other case where so is used, as well as things like you're a very kind person. This is a very sweet mango. This has too much sugar. And this is such a delicious mango. So, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye.